Hi guys, I hope you're well. I just wanted to give you a very quick demo of our new CRM system. This is a custom CRM system we're building. It's currently still in beta mode, so we're just using it for ourselves at the moment. And the idea behind this is, unlike our existing CRM, it just pulls data from everywhere into one central dashboard. So we can see here it's pulling, just the time, say good afternoon, Joe. Putting my appointments from Google, so it's showing me what I've got on today. It's putting my tasks in from where I've logged my tasks, which of course I can mark as complete. And this is going to pull data in from Xero so it can show how the stats are looking. This bit is still in development, but that's how it's going to look when it's all done. So you can see here I've got very quick access to all of the important things I need, like contacts, notes, my accounting software, my calendar, and my tasks. But let's go ahead and find a contact and see how this really works. So if I search for myself, okay, so it's found me, that's good. Let's view contact. Okay, so you can see I've got all of the details that have come up here, all of the notes here, so I can log notes, anytime I've had an interaction with a contact. But let's take a look at these kind of smart integrations we have down here. So firstly, let's send an email. Now previously, if you wanted to compose an email, you'd have to go find the contact, write out all your pleasantries and normal greetings. This is going to put that all in automatically. So we're going to set the subject as, you can see I've tested this before, testing, let's call it the email function. I don't need to write hi Joe or anything like that. I'm just going to put a quick message to test the form. Send. And this is using a full IMAP integration, so it's not just sending a form, it is actually communicating my email system and logging this within my sent items. So let's go and have a look if it's there. There we go, testing email functions. You can see it's already automatically sent that straight through to the contact, and it's inserted this text, good afternoon Joe, as always I trust this finds you well. Here's my message, and then it's put in all my email signature as normal, kind regards, blah blah blah. Cool, what else have we got? So let's send an invoice. So again, typically I would have had to go into Xero, load up an invoice, find the correct contact, things like that. Now we can do that from one click within the CRM. So let's set the invoice date for tomorrow. We'll set web design as the thing that we want to put in the invoice. We just want the one. Let's set this to £1,000 and hit send. Now this is using an API call to talk directly to Xero, and we can see that's come straight through here. So dear Joe, please click here to view your invoice number 2106 for web design services, kind regards. And here you can see that invoice has come straight in from Xero, invoice 2106, web design services for £1,000. So whilst I was in, the client account, I didn't have to then go to a new location, load up Xero, find any other details. It's all there automatically. And of course, if I needed to update this client's email address, I just have to update it here in the one place. It's going to get that updated everywhere. Now send contract. This is another lovely feature because typically we would have had to go into another system such as Signable, load up the contact, put in their email address, blah blah blah, all that details put in there again. So now we can just do it from the one place. So we say which contract do we want to send, we'll go homepage sign off, and you can see it's brought up one of our contract templates. It's automatically populated this with the name, the email, the details. Client has to just go ahead and they can go and sign just like that and submit. That's it, simple as that. Okay, and final thing is schedule a meeting. So again, I would have had to before, write out an email, find my Zoom link, send the email, then add it to my calendar, which was just such a lengthy process really. Well, it's not that long a process, but when you're doing it 20 times a day, it becomes a lengthy process. So let's say schedule a meeting. I don't need to say who I'm scheduling it to because I'm already in the client's account. So let's schedule this meeting for tomorrow at 11 a.m. What do we want to schedule? Let's leave it as Zoom and go send. Cool, so let's see if this comes through. There we go. So Joe, good afternoon, Joe. Joe is inviting you to a scheduled Zoom. It's populated that with my Zoom link automatically with the date and the time. And then let's go and see if that has synced through to my calendar. And there it is. So Joe Gilbert Zoom meeting, 11 a.m. Done automatically. So all these systems are talking to each other. I don't have to do loads of things in loads of different places. It's all just controlled from this one kind of very simple dashboard. So yeah, that's it. Very simple, very quick. And so far the feedback we've had for the people we kind of demoed it with has been amazing.